If you're encountering an order error on DesignCut 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause order errors. Try refreshing your browser or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can interfere with website functionality. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and attempt to place your order again. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Review payment information. Double check the payment details you entered. Ensure that your credit card information, billing address, and any other required fields are accurate. Incorrect information can trigger an order error. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to DesignCut's customer support. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the order error quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for a more tailored solution.